Economist Kelvin Chisanga has warned that the recent contraction in trading activity at the Lusaka Securities Exchange from 46.59 billion kwacha to 13.88 million kwacha is significant and cannot be ignored. Speaking in an interview with Millennium TV, Mr. Chisanga explained that while weekly volatility can occur in smaller, less liquid markets like Zambia's, the magnitude of the drop raises questions about investor sentiment and broader economic conditions. He noted that the decline in turnover may not necessarily indicate a crisis, but it underscores the vulnerability of liquidity in smaller markets. He says factors such as temporary pullbacks, block trades, or growing caution among investors could contribute to the slowdown in activity. Mr. Chisanga cautioned that if flow turnover persists beyond a single week, it could signal deeper concerns linked to inflation trades, interest rate movements, and currency stability.
The drop or decline of 17% in the trading activities on the Lusaka Securities Exchange from highs of 46.59 million Zambian kwacha to 13.88 million in just 1 week is considerably a sharp contraction. Obviously, yes, whilst weekly volatility can occur in a small, less liquid market like ours, such as the steep drop that we have actually been able to see, it basically suggests a temporal pullback in the market participation. But of course, it raises a question about investors' sentiment and the impact of the broader market conditions. The beginning point is that the drop in the turnover on Luse is such a significant aspect that need to be looked into and factor a number of reasonable issues from here, meaning although it may not be able to have necessarily alarming the whole kind of situation, it highlights the fragility of liquidity in small market like ours. If it's just 1 week anomaly, it may tend to have a timing or block trade effect, which if it persists as well, it could indicate caution linked to microeconomic factors or investor sentiment. So the key takeaway in the case is that it's being monitored, focused on fundamentals, and avoid the reaction or decision based on short-term